Hello everyone. So in this project, we will scrap the data using Python and then we will see how to visualize it on LabVIEW. So firstly, we will create a Python program to scrap the data, the COVID-19 data. Then we will use the Python node in LabVIEW to get the data. Then the form of data which is being returned will be mentioned and that would be the data type. Then we will visualize it on tables and pie chart. So let's begin. So firstly, I would like to show you the official account from where I have scrapped the data. It is for India and the official account of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So here you can see all the data, uh, the states, the active cases, cured, discharge, deaths, etc. etc. So this data we have to scrap and we have to visualize it on LabVIEW. And this is the VI. So we will run it. It's fetching the data from the internet. And now we can see the state name and the patient's number and number of active cases, deaths, total cases, all the data which was present on the website is present here also. So let's see how it works. Here is a simple program and you can see I'm calling a script, Python script named labviewp.py, and these are the functions which are being called, and we are using the Python node. Then we are using the build array function, and the build array function transform the data into concatenated array, and we are then feeding this data to a table. Now we can see here that this is a string array and which is being fed to the return type, and we are getting the same data type as a return value. One more important thing which I wanted to tell you is we should always check the bitness of our softwares. For example, I'm using LabVIEW 64-bit here and Python 3.8 64-bit. If we are using 32-bit LabVIEW and 64-bit Python, then LabVIEW will always show an error. So this is to be kept in mind. So one thing that is to be kept in mind is we are using 5 different functions, and this Python node can only call one function at a time. So we are using 5 different functions. You can see it here, and the script we are calling is the same script, but inside the script we are calling 5 different functions. I'll show you the Python script. So this is the Python script. As you can see that there are particularly different functions to return different parameters such as the state name and the actual cases and the cured cases and so and so. We can also see that we are returning a list and we are changing the data type here in LabVIEW as array of strings. So this is how we get the Python program called from LabVIEW, and we can get the entire function running. And so here is the tabular visualization, and also we can see that we can use pie charts for more improved visualization in LabVIEW. So I'm running this code. Let's see. Yeah. So as you can see, this chart depicts the number of active cases with respect to states. And as you can see, Maharashtra has a definitely large amount of active cases, and we can visualize it in LabVIEW. There's a simple logic. We are doing all things same, but we are using some logic here to depict the 3D file. So yeah, this was my project, and hope you all liked it.